wo say wo pese wo ton wade e wo TETE MMOFRA online TV so a wo betimi ene edidwa wo benya mfaso do so number na 0207170130 0207170130 afi so YouTube wo betimi a subscribe Ejako official and at TETE MMOFRA online TV so ni nyina on YouTube wo betimi a subscribe na afi so abadoma ne so send ye be ya da biada ye de ensam egusu a wo betimi enya bi na wo so watie afi so BKH agrochemical and also ya sen e ma ye di djumedi e ma enu nti no se wo no ba ye ho ehia na pese wo senya mfaso do so na odidi do so dia na wo de wo ha ne wa mani hunu nyina adan BKH agrochemical wo de mo no ba ye egu wo de nnoi bi egu no ba ye so ebeboa ama wo soso nua ne nyina nyini kama wo benya ho mfaso a emu edu nti eye story no me di kan ka say ye pa wacho ye di mfidie ena ye adwuma enu nti ne se bibi techema na wo di ache ya sa ba biem ye de nsem no e de bra wa bra o ma e kan story no ye kan e de serious say me what I want you to tackle right now do you think say some Ghanaians and also some parents they lack the title say from parents
like in both sides, the father and the mother,
especially mother, because right now with baby issue most people are complaining much about the mother because young lady I would see me free fever 2 weeks any other day baby I would say wouldn't say crying but the kind of living to me I saw a video be no other KFC aduane akomane maami o say oh, I cry on age, maybe even me grandpa me age. Sometimes when I give my mom something, my mom will be like, "A rajo, si can you demand we okay, dear?" And I was like, "Well, when you're free, what I say?"
And I don't blame. As some day buy and make a ubia kebi.
Ubia kebi.
Ibia my man uncle, nye good mother, want me to buy free 1 year. And it's na mani who be a man kofano.
Oh, but sometimes and yet the kind of years I would see a day at a tiny panel. What I say?
And yes, I know, but some mamma who so young cats were bad and also a good. By a summer bent will be a kebi, but ye didn't find ye for two. Ye feel free mobile. Yan Chelsea could say, and I'm only say papa, bear many fear. No my basa, and never young coupon the bear my ye a finity. So one sheso, man of the house, one for bano. A man entity and cram and in ye. You will maybe warm to 10 cra, but monomay 10% pay.
Okay.
On Mundo also. But Okopon was 7 they will back with Jow Bass wanted to know. I can lifestyle bear basa. If it's a one, Okofa premier ni ba, unya time at the Obama. On the time not the behavior outside. Or call youth meeting, or call a Malco, or call the bend bay. No more baby Rebecca. I can't also him so my men yet responsible. Or my men on no call find a honor before on the home. And to be up my papa will fear. Obe make sure set time will be dry. Time will also won't shut the moon dear. Time say we so like and that's on me a street to a entity a pa into winina free home. So be free home can also the winina my own son. I saw a dware my essay dware will be a chinny who say on waso brabo. It be a war and send a jar life amount. It be memory in jam for life more musa. It be as was already there papa bit major say beman ebe foul. But papa is responsible here straight. And you papa call me and cheat. Oh no. Hey. No on obey or who cry when muna once no better when muna into be a woman dear, and now to me could think someone in this wound to me.
On say sometimes Obia will see you see who say a city will be by you because on say ye society say oh your bar no one die with tea yent 2 year when you're well managed. What you say? What the anklet? Oh yeah, Bama on say we say our boy was swing wabo tea. We get say uni subai. What you say? Uni subai. When yanti yes. So Ghana has say your kind of behavior you want to say. Oh yeah, near be who say uni pani anti 2 year. And also sometimes with the baby issue baby sometimes crying say akrane wu ansa na ye ka say bi wo ka say mother na anye good mother in a way say you see entertain ba no sometimes cry akrane tiase but how akrane see living a life as an mommy very relaxed on complaining about akrane also so we have Ghanaian mothers ni bi one mount ne ba ne nye adwuma ba wakofa be ma ba because of say be ma ne hwe ne ba yie ma ne ka ne ntino on bisa details of adwuma krampo ye because I watched a video na hajia ka say enye ya baby wuye ewu ya wuye nko nim say kobi gh scam on the onim so scam wo se den ba ye hwehwe ma kobi ye hu adwuma bia ye se wo ye se bia na adwuma wa ha na adwuma wa ha what I say that's the title given that means na down for ye so hajia ye so my yes down for ne definitely e bia ne ma me ni bi crampo ye dey found but I don't know the reason why Ghanaian parents especially mothers no when they see say hu so gu omanum a baby omanum sa na as no more, so they don't ask for where the honey is coming from.
We are too tight, and they say, guys, no more scam. And I say, guys like us now, you say personality, be more bonus, there's all never power, be massive, be more bonus, who is Cademy, says Kadruka, and Wakaji. Unni Mobia, the senior Sikaba, Ghana for a hypocrite. Say, Uboti, Ebo was soon etna Kumuha, and then Mammy by anyway, and then Antia Kusia by anyway. But it's the same personality. Equatorial US on the bad there. Hey, I couldn't want if a power.
So US is different.
The bed and one and them cause of me hypocrite.
Because when you say we say we haircutty and I say oh hey, wouldn't mean found Quatina banking, so we are banking.
Oh, Ghana. US.
You say Ghana. Say Ghana. Oh, and I make us say your core channel. Me on to be honest. They be not as a would be some question. Yeah, one year maybe or honor me, I am a fe, meaning being I am a fe, but because of how my parents see city, you know, I won't do it because they don't like it. It's me, and I'm so what are me, you know, I love doing it. Into me, me. I don't know me, ya, me pesa me, me do, send me into because of that. My mama restricting me, why dear be maybe a bit to say. Oba chanity no wa die niti me ya mefe wa bo wasu tu wa draw tattoo me baby pa me hu se tattoo do bi hu ya mefe pa usisi achi you know it looks nice to me but because of say me tonyo mo church my mom and my dad intino yade bi wo me fe but I don't want to do it.
No ka ko to se che na ba ko mu ne be ma no be da na bi hu.
Aha nti no no tie
ba nya ma for the dada be be obi hu se tattoo da wachi. Ba be ma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bi hu se tattoo da se che ne se wo ye dwaman fo. Wo ya sha woni. E bi se tattoo ni papa ko pe wo so kan ho asem.
Yes.
And I say ni pa na on ne tin na wo so be ka se tattoo say da on ha na so ha. Sa part ne dey say nya on fo no nsa na da wo se che ne ko ade na say
wo ye dwaman fo. Yeah, what you say? Nti say your society no sa na etie enti se bia na me make examples he say wuti we university kra na akoya accounting because of you beka say cha because I'm having sisters because I'm having sisters twin sisters when him say omuti krampo ma bo krampo ye ma wo mfa colored hair emoti I was so go wuti black what they be edwuma ne mra what you say wuti ni mpo na wo bon say bia wo the brown and now gold bia na say yeti we ka chen say kwasane na fa black bo
you get before sure say enye case mo ba customers no then they select me na na better na here feedbacks na ba na ni we na menye me say metenesa o pamo so what as onye qualify kwa do better na then day
is it yan call your next story if you shot nigga the only sure with the nigger the only show with the nigger I can send be na send the audio ama is it Tyler Perry really why can you pay now what trend Tyler Perry na ninsam ni tintin ni tete nyina say movie a ode ababo ntia title no destroy kamia koye say me kurampo me hu so obi aposti bi e wa yi at station bi asha ase yi movie no obi fasika twitwiri de twasini na oyi ni free na watimi on watimi ma say to be continue we are going for a short commercial break no ode akwaji advert akwa aba no asaba movie no so anya wona wo try untua ho ayi bia. Do you think that what the Fiashas nigga did is right?
It's not right. If you say, oh, do you know what Tamatu are the mono? A bit made the 50 years now, me so betty the Okano. Nipo say 7.8 million followers away. And then I owe you crack or kind.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know me? I don't know Pine County. And then that way, you 2025. Me money 50 a bit the Musa.
So it's not right because of Siani own.
Me who is self a trend. We are in ye president. In himself no the new ma be ma in your banner home and your ma baba man for a yen on Kwan obey. Me who is self a trend if it's a day or debate to me who say yes say adagye kura ho.
But me to be honest, me I support what Efiasha Snega did because Ghana has a TV stations now. They lack management. When in Ghana has a TV station power debut, you can see say they know what they are doing. TV3, Onia TV, United Showbiz. You can count and count. And now Kumasi say radio. Kumasi say TV station na me wanna say omo pick it like as omo steady the flow of TV3 ayoyerepa. Most of the TV stations in Ghana, they don't know how to draw programs or be a programs manager edane so kwa onim ni dwuma wo so odi. That's Ghana for you. So onim say ebi when any kwan say we ba and any kwan say we ba. Do you know something? One thing that I've realized in Ghana has say ye be radio station and you say be ye de ba be ye be mankrofo ani age ho na you people are getting the numbers and the manual. They just open it because of so who say wenyeska ya so for bebre wo ho no ma
you know something, let me tell you something. Abro for producers and managers no mu go abuche ho no. Mo Africans no mo nche den hu mu sa. Yeah. Celine Dion about because say na ko nim se ne be ba Africa kan ko wa monyum da. Africans yet see bufu pa. Omo no mo check him eska open no. Any we you can say we how do you call it? Oh, premier movie now. States in America. O premier na different state crab 50 something crab America. Onya nti ko peso onya wi. Enya wo GTV ni UTV ni hwan ni bi ba Ghana hanom coming to America part 2 ba ya o mo say na yenyam premier abroche ba na obofo eyi na obofo TV o se hwan ni yimbesi ono hu ana wo no hwe na Netflix ni say o my premier ye bibie ne dia beto na say movie ne ba ye now nti abrofo ne de o medi kan ahwe movie no areti enye sika o beso mu nya etueti workers etueti actress ne actors o movies na wi nti wo no e ba ye surplus sa media na na yenketingiti bi na hu say o mo fetch sika free honum o mo so make money free nti me hu ni say a trend me say ta audio ni mpo no say o be biem no 50 years ni yenyam biem enti asana na pesa wo ka no
ba hu ne so say
ehu hia
momu de ba se sisie wo de emfa ne say wan biem na wo biem don't you think say no betim because this is not a Nigeria bimpo bim wama bonte ama me ka say e magana fo enshow na yi biem
ondo na beka but telepe yon ka ji bia
ka say it could be so no so be bie no aka say stations on my
on fam ebe se mu so on fam ho say obeyi ubeyi ama say ni na be project ama ni na ko jan credit abe ko na fa no ho ono nim se ko wo hebi secondary bi wo ha ye fe ni say wo straw yeah omunim sa de be sa ono de all focus ya wo and san ka obo fon ke che na sa coming to America coming to the movie part 2 no de by coming to America I say omum premier we no obo fa ko ni hwan ni TV enti en kwanko che no ono fa ho be wonye ni sika oso nya o movie no mawi de aka ye surplus de beba media che ne nkrofo no mgo oh e bia si abeto account ni mo munyim yenhwe no ni ko de push ne se wo na wo ko stream no ono straw na e beba no mo madi kan ahwe o enye sika oso munya free mu ewie na okuma odikwa sa Ghana movie na na ka e ba begu o mo de be share say o mo ye movie e nto ni akotwe na net ni abehwe ihu police beche we kosi hefa ankosi say yegu movie kumawood yegu no ana ya nso ni yegu no ebiso bi mboka nko ye movie e wo kromu ha nkasa na wo nim se jako ye favorite star na akọ akọhwe no akọ akọtwe abram be se jako benyeska eno kura nkosi aga na obi oti New York na so oti US so o ma mesu obi GTV say o show straw na straw no nim se ska no manye muska ewia na so munyanye ewie me hu ni se trend no ope ehu hia adaje kura o de yes I dey ko waste time audio no ko ebeti ko 50 years so dem metwa to 50 years no mebiem 7.8 million followers now what they are abetumu na o mehu se obi aye se ye hu kra en kan e be fra sa ayi fo no e comment ni bi ye hu mpo ye hu
but in all the crampo siane onhu no crampo no me hu ne say Ghanaians should put a stop to those kind of stuff. You know, it is there. But it's too much because Ghana TV stations on as a sikani be a TV station now not purposely say obey programs like the way TV3 or Nia TV or Repair UTV or moye a draw program outline. You can see say they don't do that. What omo purpose ne say when yeska we be into the movie no enya advert was no the sika that's imagine
na say no be
what is enu no be but say bia the problem here is so when say wodi pesika nko de aden na wa found like the way say komutime tokuma wood movies ni bia na bibi UTV say
if you run inside
yeah UTV say movies now telenovelas ni nyina they pay money o
away
when you see they pay money to show the movie on TV. Big anka mutimi kofa kunkumu abimu nyina abaga
Ghana ye omu say eni di akire no kunkum bag ya case different omu say ti say kunkum bag ya kra na enye mankwa na ehwe
so you think
no obi ni kruti ono mo hebusafo ni nyina bonche
so you think what Ghanaians are doing is right?
It's not right, but when enkosi be maybe person me tell say you should stop wasting your time enkosi be bia moving about out on or someone say yeah man no ni hwenti no de betu Netflix
or say Ghanaians say
and that's what like some person e kwachi is maybe person me tell say we no emfaso bia ni so free say ono ni sika no benya wanya wi entimu Africans no se me say the movie banner se me show me TV so I say the all can is kana me dey pay me dey advert and I because no master TV ni the movie banner ma ko mu yanko me me viewers na me ko animu me ko aboa me me workers boa me for advert boa me onipa bebre nyoma bebre ho enti say talapari ni ma out say Africans Ghana to be per se se me the movie ba na se me nka se munyina mesi obi age obi eska on fa mind tie so de be Ghana for hunu ana say ehunu bi painting na ye ensi ye fa ne serious da but ehun si a chi nipa ba ko a yin ne be so enyansa
okay
say ekoso obi aso ma me enchi obi a ana enye na nko ana enye straw we so nko na movie a Ghana for a premiere and I say yanka say share them a streaming live mama for it
but when baby me when he said they be on Ghana TV station on programs managers ni nyina they lack knowledge of omo position they lack knowledge of omo position here them because hey the BIA me count me see TV3 will always be TV3 Onia TV will always be Onia UTV will always be UTV. Some stations, you know, more fan for property show they can never say that movies no show you know, or more that kind of
copyright.
There be or more that kind of reputation, that kind of a no more than these stations are me boy because do you know the reason why? Hey TV3 this year. When you say this year, you know, mentor woman, Ghana's most beautiful woman. Talented kids womb, date rush womb, say PM then they just say almost season for every single thing. So and that every single thing no be our interest to we have good people who are more interested in it. You get it? So you could see their programs are well in line. They know what they are doing. And today be an answer almost station there be obi she bibi there be obi she bibi there be a TV3 is trending there be on TV is trending so then these people can't do that but we do a programs manager I said and so I said onim ni oye
kwesi ne kwaku omonye pe we TV3 oba ya che me afi na ma bi TV station afi na me pese me TV stations ne kwachi ntimi ni djuma bi adi a movies nko na meye any movies no we see na we to aso we see na we to aso no mo de advert bia aba fem one or two bia fem na o ma be ye eyi kakra na mo de movies enti wono wo obi a pe movie de bia de beto so be hwe ana me so na obu ho a oni source bia na se oni Netflix account o de copy bia hwe ana mungu Telegram if it's a movie e be we asese o mo sha say ye movie nini na abinya bi o Telegram eno so so
okay
omuni copyright straw say ko Telegram u download dia 1 gig u ba behwe abra say no say etiska say u download na etiska o omuso nya omusika free honum so bi ko stream and that's all you na Netflix o account no ba say ko he movie o ma eto so ban no ye 1 gig abehwe na ka 200 megabytes sat in this kind of data ban no ni na so omuso nya sika free ho bando na wo use o data ni na e ma omusika o ana wunim emo muskanti na iska nti wakoye we
say so yin wo TV so e ma
ona wanko streaming o streaming no de betu TV3
TV na
ebu okra na ebu I dey free be cinema recording so what be that eni nche da anya finipa kono ye premiere cinema no de ne phone e video bi no da betu nti no hwa ani cha ni nche da anya clear eno to so e Inti hook or crook oye bibini anansa or media no so nkwa de oba akotwe abehwe ana se moye movie na mum blocking o media we ni na mum block o site bia untimi upload ene wo premiere wi na o ja atu na obi ehwe bi munye ne say ono so huni say oye ne say enko enti ni wo ja atum enti the better thing say ono Tyler no or management o wa say ebeko New York no bro no be yi no was be premiere ni na so bia ba ko he say Tyler Perry movie bia be ba out bia no obi ani say what as I know yes into ba ko he oti abrofo on ti no munya sika no ono oti cinema ho no ni nipa bebre na popcorn cinema na so no a wanya ne coke bi no ne fe kwa so no nko ahye da mu hwe o into benya nipa meko cinema ha ko hwe movie no premiere no wanya sika o into be stream ya na say ube premiere for be 10 states e wo America no wanya sika ewi
okay and see
ehun hia ene no de ko to wanya bia wo ken say trend no o trend
if you shas ni ga some kan
trend
trend yeah tepa so these are the stories and you beka ho asem 3 stories of which the last story na ye BC you know enkra ba ku ewu na face ba ku ewo wa bra ultra exam
asenia
ba bia mete
asenia mo say
asenia na mama who say asenia. So the whole issue is teenage pregnancy, and most of the times what I want to talk about it and they say teenage pregnancy you target women, young ladies in kwase or educate to almost mom who by sometimes I think teenage pregnancy this is the time I will say a mema so musu educate to home because obi on my young boy so sa we will become maybe a young boy be on any tipen so no more sem na nyinsen aba. So this is the time a teenage pregnancy say ye educate ladies of how umbesia protect omo ho se na be ya nyinsen ma no. They need to educate the young boys so omo ba so say whenever be you are having unprotected sex biano you need to know say nyinsen betimi aba wo so in a way the best stressful life you get it. So you need to put on a condom any ade
teenage one when you na penny in broken homes.
Yeah,
if the home is broken papa ni fie o montema tete spirit na kwa emre afi akana kwa ese fane mame me na betimi ahwe no me na betimi ahwe no me na ye me ba o se no ontimi hwe ni bi ma fa me ba mame see ya papa no nani nkwa akra no ho biem tene ni be kwa akra no ho a o ma bie school o say na wasene school fees chop money aba nyoma akwa ndi be ko school asa once na wa bi na ko sare kakra broken homes e de nyoma be pray na eba sa nyoma we enko hye ya baby woni na e broken homes be ma ofie a se bi nkwasase mi go ho a enko so ofie o
what is that daddy ba
no bia kiki o shako so me ne papa na tena me ma me antena da and na me ya kra bia na menkwaye na menko bobo na ba daddy ba ya che me time say bosi sa menware e bosi 10 na se me pay ba me hu ahuro kura me de be dwane no like miss woman ehu bi ene se misuro no e wi ase nyankopon kwa na wo so usuro no ba wo so obu nipa ye bu nipa na yesu nyankopon
that time you shall no usuro papa o I quite remember say me father no see a Monday to Friday you kusukwa me hwe TV na obafie ba enumre 7 no aba ye ti se abenya bope ki ni adum TV no na chese obi adi screen
me chen flash shimro no aba papa so oba na time ne pa ho a wodware oba ya wodware obi di kan afro se o fia se obi tears ba for da wodware de bra otimi ba na o fifi mitrim o fifi mtse nso mu a ada me ablution so ablution no e koso no time ni bi tim ko di agoro ti ono ne bua ne ka na ba me di kan hunu from end no me fast akohuru afia kodware ti me na me koya ablution din so ni bi fa momoto ni bi fa me trim ana me pepae ti mi sa ha ne dry esen ha wo dware dai me dware enti ono so sa we hunu e go be ka na kore enti wo dware na wo kiri mu na me say power
abu kra na
time unko ebio so enti broken homes papa ni fie a e ma fie to e ma pothole e be da fie e ma ne o ma ni kwa say fa fie if it's a papa ni fie papa no be bomo no oni ho oba na hey me tsia wa unti o ya kra boni o ma me ya tie me bibi o men kasa me ye beifo obefa wo so
yeah
hey now no be po jata na wo bomo no humbo.
So me right now, I think, to be honest, before we go on a main discussion for today, I think this is the time at teenage pregnancy when we are educating women of how they need to protect themselves. Say we need to educate the young men or mobile young boys or mobile men. No, I was say educate because young lady akraketwa no onyem. Yes, I know I'm one who buy, but se bear so e wonyan safa ahoban bo ho say nyinsay ma. I think teenage pregnancy will reduce.
You don't know what you are talking about.
In a way, but when him say most of times a pa me kai pa say bi won hono ma Ubeko hospital be one my teenage a man you educate to more, but we don't educate the young guys, to be honest. You educate a man and young ladies and a young on pills and a ya for condom now, but we don't educate the men.
And cranny who's on me and Kramu and them on young crowd.
They be enemy
now would do when you say or 14 or 15 years or 13 years into your crowd, you drew them on your crowd.
But when you
say, we did tough not say in Mura and Shamwa.
And yet,
and as I said, we did tough not say Russia one yet, but you ready on one crown. No, I won't have Bonteca say you son. You do them, or a barefoot. But Mamma Casimir, I bet you say, just say, Mamma say, Shabby to say, hang him in sa, a higher me ya, for saying, Hannah would woman say and come in. What did you say? Over bow with hair, I don't know what the 14. Or no, never control you. Or no, crown now, who is all 14. I bet you say, who did a chair out of Kubitofino. That's a robber nation who are show them say, wrong, now when I'm canam, when Nentum was added, smamming and yamade, or no cracket on the 14. I bet you was.
But when it I can boldly say today. Se bema bia we bema on not winning how our pregnancy is it here and how our wo bema when ye well prepared a bit me my life on no what me more be decide mount se tofese rabashe ho enye da he because nya in would the emfa say bema who be na wo rip and ye the ball ba so what me my bad dictate in a way a bema life aye unfortunate bia
worry teenage pregnancy
Debbie anya sao ye can in education it's say bia unim say wo bon ho ban bema unim say wo bon ho ban now we know about say that you need to talk sense to the lady. When I was all the sense penetrating into so a Bible poka was saying wo yi bema enfim pade and bema da na ho ninti na mema money or bad at da wie pe no da na ho no because we refer
me know shit
oh ma
na me know how this sex look me penitema kwa aduma. Why are you laughing? Me no.
I said me na.
I'm one me dan one me. Na me no. Me for the come penitema kwa aduma na be na me dan no.
When you want and you
me no have visit my brain me that sister me that.
Well, and a main story for discussion story discussion. It's not a story, it's a topic that we are coming to have a discussion on. Obetimi adeti pana wadam for pan and pana your best friends, the best friend, ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, yeah. You get it into pana dada wadam for pan and pana dada obetimi na chempana. Oma, yes or no?
No.
No, untimi.
I will never do that.
Yeah.
Like oba me need to ya near do radem. You know ye fawa otianti mu nyina masutua. You know ye fawa we near do best na twema me nitua. Na madam fini we jana mala fawa. Me hu ni se we me nua like won kwa o ro kwa honya makono.
Yeah.
Me say me hu ni madam for no. Me hu ni se ye me nua sana me life te. Inti madam for bia x me wa madam for bia x number. If it's omu date here, oh, obechechem say madam for ni o ma. You're a nice guy, oh, can I have? If you are, or as him say only me, so where my solve problems. and when talk about any afraid me. We free when we are friend na me say and now we down for na say into most I am woman now for excess and number so mommy tell me say o meja into no oni we ja bra me ba kwa ba mi tinu kwa da
we be our best friend na we hu so no be say aga we die no we come minya ya e bi mountain
oh yeah haja for real kwana no madam for date am ma
there be anya say e bi on na date but e bi through our relationship no hu girl be say aga we pa de aga we
madam for no e girl no na obey ni exa
there be through me fan say e bi maybe like me dating ni na bia wo
what the can say me asema me can say oh wo ye fe o wonya dan fo bi o te say wa ho asa agro no oh sir me dey me chede ni adam fo ba me oba ku bi wo ho no ono kwa betwe adwuna asi so wa dan fo girl here of a obetimi aka a chale oge de no ho fo no wonya dan fo bia o be ma bia na adwo fie bia sa no be busa ah oni ne ho fo do be wa dan fo ne ho fo busa ne no me o chale madam fo ne so pege o sa na ne su ba ye de me pese ye ba be stress me na wonye na me na me we ye link up no omo mo adwi mu da ho no ba hu obi o ye fanful onye ro abi hu tumi se wadanfo no one ge no wo kwa no so pebi adi eno hu ba no abu ani egu so no se no one wadanfo ni ja na ge oni je ba ko fa na di ni bi one ne ntra kwa na obedi di ne kaka aka na so mu yenu no magimi omunim de na omo ye that time you see that thing but obi na adwi mu da se fa ma hu me mepe wo hu ye me fe kra 100% a me de be ya agro hu ofo se de hu ofo esi de obe won na form ho fe pa oh yeah me won na form oh link me bie adwuma na si some down for girl by o ma bi wo ha o mo yes sad ana die ntia na ma sometimes sad ni bisini one me wo ho ana so oni ni wo ho treatment and money ni enye meni tua wo ne bia ni e complain o ma me so dey relax man oh ebia say na de bia o treat ni na wo cheat ni e chew na wo kodi ho ni e chew na wo ye say baby on kase men ko na wa ko ni a chew na de bia mo kuma ni tua o no mo be jaya me ba be fa o me ma sem na me ken ba oba e mani de mo tai free say de odo ye obo yin na ni tua boy no o crash won so wo ntimi anka ana wo be share ho enti o odo ma boy no cool low key enti wo na wo de guy ni jimini na no be back oh we mema ye na me ni ni guy
it happens a lot
e wo man side oh ene ni guy we bema no ntimi nya hwe bema we debi be masa we no bema obi o chele ko she wono we obetiti am wadi na no wa se wa adwen se unya obi a odwen wo ye jimi fo anya badwen ma no wa follow
ba me unim say me whole life me need best friend
me fa bi so da
me on my life akoye adwuma school church
in the time me fa bi da in my more best friend they be asem the problems na brewo madam funi eno ne kure na wo mu ni mema on nya ho hyehye so be hu nega we na ades wo hu na to o ma miti 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to 20 times and san wakase me padi ni oh ibi ma padi ene se boba ohu obi na diomo be na okire no ha se ohu no be 20 years oni na dia agura nyi no so na dey na no hu no unim nipa no so we be ifo se ne subanye se we bonsam we don't know ba e bia instant ho na ni me bi o ye kire of me de madam adamfo bia menya no de bia menya adamfo how many times what is be ma ka se menya adamfo froda ni homies no mo shares no mo fokene apa oni adamfo biom na down for the girlfriend and I said maame and I said ni nua oni adamfo boba me no ni we nya aka o kire obenya se bi kwase aba akwa for na adamfo am for bibia me na brabo
me say it for example me say me hu se madam for date guy bia guy na cry am pese me ni be free
oh sometimes you need free na sometimes
me can me I don't have best friend so me na fufu nyina no me obi a me extrovert
really
yeah me extrovert I met me share I like to welcome people sana mete and obi a oni me sign
bia relate easily with people you don't know
want to say like me fan say maybe I'm dating you ebi am dating wo ma say ya the way ya also obi wo hono ma o dating be ma or you introvert to an extent say ne friends as a guy on the friends, but me, and yes, I'm no more dear grow, but because of you, I try to treat them better. What I say? So that kind of extent we say be a minute to send your mom is seen you young didi or man say those kind of stuff. We are madam for bar now guy me I won't be doing that no matter how extrovert that I won't do that with you. And I'm in person me young number so and I'm in person met ya me who crown match ya me that's me or madam for bar a boy in madam for.
Okay, I don't know.
What am I saying? That's my point I'm making. Like, oh, yeah, madam, because I don't know the reason why I was so yeah, madam, and I don't know the reason why in Tia say I was so bad for me.
The okay no, but na me person me say the Intia I na happen on a man side ni. E me ma see efa see the see hu ye ho no. Se be ma ka so be me blood down. And you see, be down for like, or you party since the 80s. This is not or my dear girlfriend could have been many in tea connection on one or Marco is in here. Baoba, I am some jealous a ibu or mem. If you are the boy in the Yamano corner, a yenia. We just that kind of thing.
Me mean the think and famine check or me uncle bass and me boy need that.
Metieme. Who do you man the Biana me the 2 man for doyama any yaw or be I see Miss Do treat you good pounds anything I get on the end, sir. On one bit of matter as I've been one. Yeah, madame for don't deserve a guy.
Yeah,
she to the moon, but wouldn't him. Into the topic by me guy cry me say me do stressing on no bow Jano. And I said it's remordio. Wouldn't deserve a guy, no. Or person children and say you don't deserve that guy. Obeboa oh dagano in the mema so buwe I don't know kwani be man ho ofe me de yi wani manam de copy ska ma say ni ska o enso no ka je onye sa o nti ukoyi obi a wagimi on 9 minute on da sumye so anumre mfa adwena oh the madam fi kai so yam mema bebre outside na na guy na kwa akujai afi obe ndi be 3 months na wadan fo no up still excellence oh bestie wadwen be ne say wadwen be ye wo say now when they were on a guy near Adam for say madam for doing him oh ebia won him
no be support to say unjai no jai still one boy in you free that's the
no be chere wunya na obe chere wunya nsa no say wo wunya de papa ba wan hu so hwe bon obe kura na ma obe sum se kusia ma
yeah
and na most times and they happen on man side enti o ma wuja guy ni wi afi de bo say omutimi pie with my bestie into one for the first one say oh normal say but osabe just the never know can say me nigga in ninja no na normal be afi de na wadwene be feel ada ne mo kon he obusa oh me work kind of frame na se ni nka eja woni na eja idea me na me krokro eja so with the live be enim no wa say jimi wa fan fully on that side no way you wani na afi be hu no omko trip na trip no mo dan da ba kum ade obi an na jai so there afi na o concentration say ko enti mu ni mo ko dan ba o da be o han o jini room na so me jimi room obo o me di o mo ho ba ko o ye ma na show baba afi de ne kura be mo say save the date now you must show now so na wo so save the date
yes
into we are da for bonus we are da for bonus na say we know sir you can say the obeka abobi beka na fruntum esi suro de oben na kwa ense me bri no so a che say masa se wagimi na afi ne betete akora wa ha o
yeah
se wagimi a ayensa yarefo ha se wagimi a mechire onyansa se wunim be ma so hwa me de me so na krokro no me treating mema anyhow when you nice guy or no na wo bia ono na be treating on e hoko sabi do atem na afi wo be post or start fanfulness all around almost start
but to be honest me and American me madam for bar ne guy enya madam for and me so one thing that I've noticed about men and I say once the BM come me I don't rush for relationship. I don't know, to be honest, I am who anything special what relationship. So me when say me were into a relationship, me said me God's love, he said me said me were into really like I give all. When the ten is off, I'm done. And I mean rushing me once a chinchina by force so ne be me giant ne a china now when ya be me biase mu ye bibi kibi me I don't do that. So who date down for boy. Me first of all, when you're madam for until we are there now, home po be makono. You get it?
And America no. Madam for girl there no.
When you're madam for
Me who say you mean you ba na ma link na madam.
Yeah, when you're madam.
Me emma me team go say besra me. Me say madam for girl. Emma mesra me. Unim me na me date girl bi. Sa girl na like unim asresem. Ma me ndi kan ka asresem. Na me nim so mo ye na for the first place. Ena ono no me kan say that no also otu nyum bibisa. Ana no fan page. Ah na nipa bebere gum na me ko omo ade me. Introduction. Ana me ko send me picture. Ho na DM se pan we na we oba we abi DM mo so say star oni bi no. Ana girl bi ene de me na me ko na girl me fe. But na me ni ejai o. Ye jai kra da ba na.
Girl na also obonyum no.
Ni ejai. Ba na ye wo vibe.
Okay.
Ana add me to group nim. Into adding me to group. Ana ono na down for na me na meaning on na down for me ne koye dey. Na lockdown a check 2020 ye coronavirus time class na me. Get be mama ono so me pen na no pen ye ono so feel if am boy ka keja. And eja ye boy ba ni hu ye ho da. Say lockdown na pia ko hwe. Lockdown is tena finti net fina blind dating. No, I said no picture, baby. Have you eaten here? Sorry, me nigga only date here. Compare me to lockdown the chain. No, me say no me now for. And na girl on also nim say na me ne sana down for the train pena. Compare me say me the whole one Sunday morning. And na girl no. Ne boy I don't know. Say ne boy na on pe boy na boy ni scammer. A friend me tell me warning say. Ne girl ni asume sentimental me ho se me mpeme nkwa dia e ho na me so me dia ho ba se na ani gie eni ya reho kakra for girl ne say sister o boy afa ma treat me nyinu nduru ba bia ana me nyanwe nti sabi so bi di mawusa na ebe me nti enjai no me na squad ti me fie ho no girl na afa na dan for di na chi adam for no for na di na chi me ex me ex ni be so nti o do Unim no, I feel no be any my or send any cooler. I'm say, inti akusi now yes, I see me na near Babeka. And one me ex nibs I do ye day, and I'm teaching us girl no. Me say, Uma on no pel. Me who say, Akusia, I did ti bema, cry pusti bema da, and I saw the bema I and start that. If you say you date no, me dance, me picture me no ma bomiti na black and white, no ma shake bi, no ma bomiti, ne efe pa, ne efe. Sa picture ne da for months, for years. Compare me say me ameka zo yenjai. Ema na man forget and the boy no, ye na open the pa. Ema ga no ko say onu hu bi that say onu pa date. No post the boy dan start.
Minti me ba inti mo date oba na oba post wa hu ne so oba ne pe won.
No ko dey surplus me hu ne so open me. Me say me see hu say loud no.
Hu ne so open. There be with the question. Say oba post.
No oba bet me post na say wa post me o odan ne WhatsApp DP a woni chat ya me da ho. And that's what I posted no hide na me kwa me.
No hu ne so open.
Oh, and that's open me o. And on wo and on e me imagine say dem si dwen. If you say na me betwem pna minimum ba bia suban.
Yeah.
Minim at this stage minimum ba bia suban tine ko ina minim say oba me no try 1 2 3 months. E wo say me hu say they will sit me no ato aso na say me ntimi na on to aso na me life
but uni bibi me so on me say me hu ne say enye needful say wo say me posti
me betimi posti na on kwa na wo he
me say me
eno kwa de nyansa bi enim say posti obi o ye betimi posti na wa ya posti on kwa na wo to he wani agi say de me ge do me on kwa na wo he o unim nipa ya hide or block you mo
but wuni like me hu ne say on sometimes me hu ne say there are some niema bi on hono ma you sa be ma no unya unlike say unya mi bi aye me so what study me on say me nyini ba nyina me hu say me mema vibe more than a ma metimi ni be ma bi a vibe kiki bi ye free baby a won no ano no
international o star dey say na nchina ni me hu say the bia ni mema if na me obi o square na yes on one year nantes and even auntie very nice girl no one fe I say yo o ma chale me enko di we ni bi like o force ya ni de bi ono na nante
yeah
into no kwai say na me hu ni so ye be ma
yeah
time ni ko na me hu ni so ye be ma me hu auntie betimi abebo na wa boni say na so de ni akafo a kire ho vibe no wo honum Inti ama na school kwa na trend na gay ya de ngofo tim so mudi no oba wa se boy no se yo se me kwa de
I don't know o sa
on shake ba o share ma uniform all right but the vibe na member vibe yo
okay like I say you know come on kasa ni bi
na antia wo at one na antia wo at one obi free as one aba ene yakọ math akoto ejiane iwi a minim subject owo obetwen ya ma yi na sa ba bum ya nante na Saturday kwa dey so be a free Sunday Saturdays oni ebe nante sa ni ekọ ha na ekọ shekla entertainment now or say entertainment person ni just anom oh auntie was very nice girl in the same who's auntie akwa area me can asre
but me unim say me
auntie pa odo
but unim say me were relationship ma sa me ma vibe ni nyina me jai
and only your girlfriend
like say bia me say na ma get into relationship a on me hu se be ma na obi a on pesa ade na me jai say bia me fa na say bi ma ba na me no watcha video na me no watcha picture no sa ade ni nyina me jai
me
and I also be man so me post you but there are some things bi obi hu say me I will give you me obi any one man even cross wonya me share crampa it's difficult so you be man me disrespect you and I me sa ade we me pacho sorry ya ade bi e normal e ka me ho
na wonim ye wi a ho no mo na ye side ho no akwada so end unze di biam ka say before you hypocrite dey see hu no say na dey judge say we dey mumu ade memo mo fe de ndro me pa ma cho good afternoon afena ma bana be say na be ma hu fe na bu ade sa no di biam me pa cho de obi onim bia beka
ba we dey sisi ma me nka me pa cho
me pa ma cho good evening no me pa ma cho like say me say me no
obi ka so ho ye fe ya den about
oh say me ma me ka chere me
there be obi ka say oh ma ho ye fe wo ya den about
me tim ye me de kakra ba me fa njimi
and do you think say your mo kan e yampa say ho ye fe
mo na ehu ana ni nipa ba ko
there be me ka say wan ka so ugina hwehwe ma hu ne say ho ye fe
oh it depend me ntimi kan fo me ho de
there be say hey like sometimes
me ntina me ka say me di kan ka chi de me be ka chi ne da metrim akojo hu ofe o
okay
me edam tim say me say me
what apart from say what unim say on a bit say your ba say ya be ma be ti me for example ebia obi be ka say oh God's love will say ya mefe you get it be ma na carry but you yourself do you see that say I am pass
oh ebi o ehu so won efe nkwan de say de
hu nti wugina hwehwe mo hu say ne enkrofo ka say wo
yeah say me say you guys say ah na ni apochi TV you see that thing ba obe ka na ni ama efe ga na ni ama efe o na ni pa ne we mascara o mo say na mo so no mo say mascara o say de no mo say na mani no atwetwe pie like na mani say oba kasa enti sa compliment na me over confidence say me ho ye fint no e say me koye ma say me this no na me di buade enti na nkopon ko so share me no
but unim say me baji to mu say in a way I'm not ugly I'm okay what day assembly a guy bi ka kire me
okay
the guy told me say me ngini ba no how I see raising you no na me that kind of low self confidence na me wo pa because I say once I see you indoor girl bisa so way back SHS me ko SHS no mo say oh go be about I go be about school and friend A2 na me so me join LG na me sa ye drama ni ade na me sa ye LG organize
na sa kwa America oh friend no answer
David na menye so
no that is
Jaisa enti ube hu say they will obi betimi abo mo say go be your friend in God's love go be ya mo say nanim first na menim that sport ni who say you I was having such a nice face
say papa na no ne koda na ne hu so na say parazo le bia me catch you say oba be down no okay e mema ne hu ebi nso onye hu ebi hu nso
enye no be I know the reason why
I'm so good na sha
you get it so they be lecturer bi oba be teacher ni bi ewo oba SHS o school mu honom na oba be ye we say omo national service ni bi no
yeah
that time na me so kro slim bi e na o ka chem say yani o ka sem bi asem na o ka chem me I don't want to say
it no na real one I know it.
Jaisa.
Now first guy no need journey.
Shani otre hey Jaisa de eye ntwa ntro nya
Oh,
yi.
you need kwa sorry. What told you so me told you sorry. You need told you.
We mean business. We mean business.
And we are doing business.
Don't do that. Ono na
Tell them the truth.
Hey, Oma Jaisa. Oma Jaisa. To be honest, Jaisa. Oh, ade. Oh, so asema o kan no. Me since then that day no cast asem no. Me ko hostel ya mirror na wo hostel na anim on. One set me hu me whole body ba na me hu fit ebesi me say. So there be me like I say me say aha. So me share mirror ni musan ma share menim. Me share mirror ni way back to JHS na ya wo kase oh Goslav ni efe. So me share me hwe menim san na ma hwe fiti menim sa besi me form. That's what I am you. Enti me befie ma kwanya me befie wardrobe e wo fie on infinfin no mirror no ni nyina ya mirror so me be hye me ho saa fi na me point out na me say oh do say me nye gidigidi bia ba say when I'm naked I see say oh ade we say so since then oh ni panic asem ni na me benya confidence bi say enye say bia wo body bi gidigidi bi na ebe ma obi akasa wo ho ye fe but obi a a special way of beauty. That's what you get it. So first, na me wode ni say otonye kakraka o say ade no but asem na nipa ne kan ma me eba me timi say obi a special way of beauty bi a ma wo dance bi. You get it. You get it because me when him say obi wo hon mo be hu be ma kokko no aye say be ma kokko na den but no me I say se bema koko de bien say tumu but one say obi on ma on say te se ne momo mema mtimi hu oba bi say e go we de no ye feel me most of the time say me hu be me bi no maka no mtimi say guy we hu ye fa e bia nipa no oye nipa tuntum or that chocolate color me first day no me hu say normal guy. You get it? Aha, say obu ase kiki boy bi hu ye fe na say onyaya no me who say normal guy you get it and say na bia me who say the way me right now what I like about you how I say on pentokwa the way you look the way you look is totally different from the way that you are say obi hu obeka say yo boys now omani so hetu ni but you are different from that. That's right now because say that's what I can say. You get it? So be an idea. So right now, as someone can see I say, I don't know, but obia who ye feni or no way. Sometimes a man when you say nothing and a man be bring now obia a conum a drone not net to or say me person me to ye can see me person we say because obi a slim girl but still now obi penno. Obi timi kasa go we obi won ma stadium se be bi won ma unim ne danya so ba be pewa diu ana se bi bisa bo betimi ehu a day plus mama ade ba ko bi won ho no aka de kron this ho ye feel what I say so minim so sometimes I wanted to know say me ma so obi so kasa wo ho ye fa ya den na bam say eno na ye ma mo so mo hu ni say ma pam nti wo didi ma sa na say
na girls ni be brilliant o ma pa no ho fe pa say pa onye ma like we say we see wakudi one na koda me obi mbra out club girls obi mbra out onye ma ha bibi da me feel kura hu then tina me ne we they shall see it no like they don't understand and you never understand
the reason why you are dating that girl.
You never if some na big girls cry ko ma kwa fa nya hwe na kwa kito they know
ba o girl ni de o ya akra bo nya akra no body encha akra nti what are they talking about
no
I don't for say on beka
no you can say me
so o girl nya ba ko penti
Mr. Elder Bet say me hu bad I didn't throw bet to me so what's love me kai face that and quite a name papa akupe
wrap up
me say yes you are very beautiful. I was like was wunni me ma ho fe o wa ho fe ne ma ho fe me ko tana se dwene ho sa me say like how if so hu me say me ma me me hu nwi ni mani to na se papa ba me nim say me manim na me wo e manim to was the me a na hu ma me ka se bo machi na yi no me se me ma me penti no na obi akasa asem na me tirima em de na me di nkwase asem na ma ta me be ma to me kon se me ho fit na oba bi na me yishima no no me nim be be rade de me ko enti se me date a ana me sexual health hu hia me pe sex a ye ne basa me pe sex a romance wom
ba wonim se o man ye wo kan nyina so no won se woni ma bebre san pa adeda pa
if I should say
won se woni ma bebre adeda pa jaisa like it's me and you sadie nyina wo se won pep club girls wo ye careful nyina mpo no senka wonye selective about that na woody sama ni nyina echi anka ma wo no ma da no because even now cry you obabu ane na da won kai to be honest spell out like
oh mekai
oh baby because we are selective ni nyina no o ma wo no ma da de dos
and so no
you know there be between you and I am fa bibi anton chain yeah okay one can of camera
nah like and say what person say me no unit but camera is yes like and I said the whole canon asem na make na beso mo ni ba so say me no mienu nkwa so camera is lipa be 3 billion e camera
okay
and I say me ntimi nka ba adentina oba me na kwa bi me we be me ni body count I enter 3
dey yet house was answer dey yet house also 24 one got a 24
me Solomon no
so and a discussion no ye who a man so idea you're talking about how people see themselves and all that so we are ending the show here. Today is Friday.
Say some behind down a crowd.
What behind down a crowd?
They say in Sweden no. It mutual be provisions be goofy. See me baby I at a hotel in Panama behind down.
Okay.
So papa bit to say also no papa dear betem just say oh millionaire there the kusia creating na so na twa be go ni fridge mo. Oh. Say just and it be ko twa be free nyama be good dem.
Yeah, and you me so me ko hide dan wa akra.
Ba akaba kubu e kire ho de ma be bisa provisions so nti ubenya ne nyama pa.
Nti nsuo ni eto ya be twi ni na be good.
Oh, say akra for say ni gia ba ho ni say ye bompa say de be nso nyini fa yes a wa akra ho. Amen.
Amen. Priesthood and explanation na community. Aha any e de dwumade ni nyina ebesi. Midin adego slava fum. De bia da mekai wo say ubetimi ni ya beton ade ane. De bia wo ton na pese e bo hu de Roman e beton ama numbers na e wo screen so frɛ ya ye ni ubedi nkomo hyehyɛ eketu abi ni aye ne opa ma. And our number no 0207170130. Ubetimi so afano afre and asa ubetimi attesti ye beje wo fel so. Afi so be catch agrochemical say wo ye mfu e wo fie ade bia wo ye bia me say ye de koya no. Na wo pese wo de ne magu su se ne be ya no ba ye befu kama mo nya ho mfa so de a ye be catch agrochemical sinti wadama na wafa number no wa from mo ba bi bebre chese Junase sashi Junase takrade sunyane kumasi mro main office onyina ye jinyina omo baby bia wo pe bibia we nya afi na bia wo emetema no e wo safa ka ba kumasi sashi Junase ebi wo honom a wo benya bi soso ato enu nti aha ene ye din nsem nyina besi midi kan ka se midi adego slava fu mini MC Omar Sterling ene ye de TETE MMOFRA akohunu ebrewo TETE MMOFRA kohunu show that is entertainment stories I de ebrem na face you are making discussion a broad topic and you discuss about same
say part 2
and you be part 2 say your best friend ex boyfriend and our girlfriend who betimi a dating and we made a whole lot of discussion on it aha any do be me that say when your brain we tie e what TETE MMOFRA online TV so
your cool TV shining bright. Serving laughter day and night. Feel the joy it brings to you. Life gets better with